We're going to go ahead and replace our wheel center cap located in the center of all 4 of your wheels. Using our 22mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. Let's go ahead and grab our wheel and remove that. With your wheel off, go ahead and spin it around. From the back side, you can go ahead and use the handle from your screwdriver and gently tap the center cap from the back out towards the front. This will separate it like so. Take your new center cap, has little tabs or locking tabs on the back side. Line those up. Go ahead and tap that on. Let's go ahead and install our wheel. Go ahead and install your wheel. And get our lug nuts on. Once we get all these started, a few threads, we'll go ahead and snug them down. And then we'll lower the vehicle and we'll torque all the lug nuts. Go ahead and torque your lug nuts down to 95 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.